remember that when we use the lattice package, we can also create separate scatterplots. Okay, now let's say in our case, we want to create separate scatterplots based on variable cut. Okay, so if you come in here, right, and say you want to create all these based on this variable cut, right? Let's say you also want to specify the group, right, that is cut, as well as these as well as the legend, right? So if you run this, now we are seeing here the idea behind lattice package. So it allows us to even create separate scatterplot, right? So these scatterplots, they are in different, can say multiple panels, right? So they're in multiple panels by group. So we're gonna come later is to how can we also try to learn about panel functions, okay? But for now, we have been able to see how can we create multiple panels by group. In this case, which was the cut variable, which represented the quality of the cut of the diamonds.